It's nighttime, and I'm going to give you a very fast overview of this motorhome we have for sale. I wanted to show all the lights at nighttime. So this is my workshop. This is the main entrance. Looking to the left toward the master bedroom. There is the driver compartment and the cab over. I've got this fan going. That's on low. It's the lowest setting. It'll go really high. It keeps it nice and cool in here. Headed toward the back. Of course, the refrigerator. My wife really loves this pantry. Gotten a lot of use out of it. So, the master bedroom. Have lighted closets. Have remote controls for everything. The TV, another fan on low. Even have a remote control for the thermostat. Can turn that off. And lights above the bed. There's two of them. Here is the shower and the skylight. Coming back around to your left, I have the fan on in here. There's your bathroom, somewhere to hang towels. There's a magnet back here that keeps this door closed when you want it closed. Have a mirror there for people to see. And let's go outside real quick. Oh, you know what? Let me start the generator for you. So this is a nice display that one control. We've gotten a lot out of it. You control your lighting here. Let's start the generator. So it always has to prime first. You'll see it shows you your battery voltage at 12 volts, and we only have 64 hours on this generator. So I haven't started in a while, so it has to prime. Generally we'll run it once a month on load for 20-30 minutes, but the thing runs great. And actually I'm running off a generator now. Everything operating in here is running off the generator. So let's go outside. There's your engine compartment, and there's that slide out. I'll actually crank the engine for you. I know it's kind of noisy. The generator's actually located right there, and crank this thing right up. And we added these lights. These lights add lots of light, so I'm using the one here, but they add a tremendous amount of light when you're traveling. So believe it or not, the engine is running. I know the generator's kind of loud. We'll turn that off. And have a stereo system here as well. It controls the speakers inside and out. You can have different zones. So I think I have the speakers on the outside here. Yeah, I have speakers over here. And let's see. Yeah, so that's it. Very nice RV. I think you'd be very pleased with it.